Of course, in America there are many options to educating our children. There are public schools, private schools, charter schools, Montessori schools and, of course, the option of homeschooling. There are advocates of both homeschooling and public schooling. Those of us who don't homeschool, which is still the majority of Americans, need to fully understand the reasons why people choose to homeschool their children. 1. Religious or philosophical convictions. Religion is not permitted in public schools. Many families feel that religion needs to be a larger part of their child's education than that which the public schools allow. People who have deep religious beliefs show great passion. These are the individuals who are passionate about their children's education and feel that only they are able to teach them to the best of their ability and the content that they feel they should be learning. The homeschooling parent is in charge, they call the shots and they like it that way. 2. Socialization. Some people that don't understand homeschooling believe that it is confining rather than socializing. But those individuals that believe that are stuck in thinking about the stereotypical socialization of an age-based classroom. Children that are homeschooled are exposed to social situations in a mixed age range. They have age mates instead of classmates. Many homeschoolers feel that their children need to be exposed to the appropriate ways to behave, not inappropriate ways. They feel that their child should be exposed to the model behavior of people who have learned to make decisions and handle themselves in various social settings. By being exposed to appropriate modeling of social behavior, homeschooled children will learn how to act appropriately. Parents of homeschooled children can also see when their child gets it when they model for a younger child appropriate behavior. Homeschooled children get a reality-based social lesson. On a daily basis they see adults they know, love and trust manage and balance life day to day. Modeled for them as academics, balanced with real-life chores. Caring for a sick friend or neighbor, shoveling the driveway and walkway, doing the grocery shopping and dropping off the dry cleaning, cooking dinner while folding laundry, putting laundry away and talking on the phone with Aunt Sarah. These are real-life situations that homeschoolers are exposed to and public school children are often sheltered from or are privy to a controlled school environment. 3. Academics. Homeschoolers have several advantages over publicly schooled children. The curriculum is designed specifically for them, not for children their age and what children at a particular age are expected to know and learn. Public schools differentiate instruction the best they can. However, a homeschooled child has a curriculum tailored to their needs. They may read at a 4th grade level, spell at a 3rd grade level and complete math at a 6th grade level. A homeschooled child is neither rushed, nor not given enough time. There are no other children to keep busy, so they are free to work at their pace and move as quickly or as slowly as need be. Much research has been done on how children learn best. A homeschooled child is not only taught by the person who knows them best in the entire world but also since they are the only student, the learning style never has to be varied. If a student learns best through music, then the curriculum of a homeschooled child can be tailored to meet their needs so they will be more successful. Homeschooled children get to spend more quality time as a family. They are not trapped in a traditional school setting for 6 hours a day but are free to spend quality time as a family every day. It is said that parents are a child's first teacher. Families that homeschool want to continue to be their child's teacher because they feel that their children need the guidance of their family and God and not the guidance of someone hired to do a job that is naturally theirs from the day their child was born. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.